Hey guys, this is Vaughn with Vaughn's Classic Cars, shooting you a video of our 2011 Dodge Ram Red Express truck. This is Mr. Norm's edition that is in the Mr. Norm's registry, certified registry. It's number 2 of 12. What a cool truck. Brand new set of Cooper radials all the way around, custom wheels, 5.7 V8 engine. Does have the functional stacks coming out of the bed. Got a sweet wood bed that they put in it, was part of the package, just like the old little Red Expresses. It's got an awesome exhaust note with the I think it's got like glass packs and the stacks that come out. Got the Red Express in the rear lean backs. Even got your little Red Express model right there with it. Pioneer Super Tuner stereo, 140,000, 035 on the miles. Got the matching floor mats. Has had cat skin leather put throughout. Got just a little bit of wear starting here on the color. I might have to try to have that recolored. Just a little bit on the bolster, but I do have a guy that can color that and make it look really nice. Body on this truck is like brand new. You never dream it had 140 on it. It runs and drives excellent. The air's cold. It's got the Rhino-Line bed liner with the wood floor in the back. Looks really cool. Stacks coming up. If you're a little Red Express owner, you need to have this as your daily driver, or to take to a show with your other Express. Wouldn't that be cool? Cooper tires all the way around. Here's your signatures by Mr. Norm and Norm Jr. This was taken to their shop and they signed it, and has the official paperwork with the registry all about the build. I couldn't keep from buying this truck when I seen it. It's just so cool. Let me fire it up here, see if we can let you hear it run. No check engine lights, anything like that on. Ice cold air. Does have a tire pressure light on, I see. Could just be a low tire or possibly a sensor. Battery went dead on a sensor. Sounds great. Under the hood here. Did put a cold air K&N air intake on it as part of the package from Mr. Norm's. Had a few horsepower there. This truck's just super clean underneath here also. Got a Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge badge underneath there. Also there are some window stickers that go along with it in the paperwork that came with the certification. Front end's all real nice, maybe a few bugs or something like that, but it's in real good condition. Windshield's good. So give me a call at 618-336-5210. Love to show you this truck. We have financing available. We could ship it to you if that'll help. Got some good shipping options. So give me a call. Love to show you this truck. It's one of a kind.